Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset HONOR X5c Plus. Okay, we have two ways how we can reset this device. We have a reset through the settings, that's also the recommended method, and we can also reset our phone using the recovery mode. Let's begin with the settings first. Simply scroll all the way down, click on System and Updates, and click on Reset. Also, before resetting your phone, you can create a backup of your data above. I highly recommend doing that because even after the reset, we'll still be able to restore our data. If you don't know how to create a backup, on our channel there's a video when I'm explaining everything step by step, so if you want, you can watch that video. Okay, so now click on Reset, and now click on Reset Phone. Remember that all of your data will be erased from your device, and then if you want to continue, click on Reset Phone. After that, your device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on. And the next thing that you need to do is to go through the setup process. That's the first method. And now let's go with the second one using the recovery mode. But we need to remember about two things actually when it comes to the resetting the phone using the recovery mode. There's a chance that after the reset, when we get into the setup process, the phone will want to verify us, or by typing the screen lock that we had before the reset, or we will have to sign in into the Google account into which we are logged in before the reset as a confirmation that we are a user of this device. So be aware of that. Okay, now let's go to the recovery mode. First we need to turn off our device, click power button and volume up button and select power off. Okay. And now we need to hold power button and volume up button at the same time until we see the HONOR logo. When it appears, we need to release the finger from the power button, but we need to keep holding volume up. Sometimes it takes a few tries, so don't worry and keep repeating if it doesn't want to launch. I hope that in my case it will be okay. Okay, the phone vibrates. I think that I can release the finger from the power button. I'm still holding volume up. I hope that it will launch. Alright, and in my case, this time it didn't worked just like it should, so I will try again. Okay, now it worked. I think that when I was doing it previously, I hold the power button not long enough, and this time I have waited until the HONOR logo appeared, then I have released the finger from the power button and I was holding volume up, and now the recovery mode launched. Okay, to move around this menu, we use the volume keys, and we need to select clear data, confirm by clicking power button, select factory reset, again tap the power button, and now we need to type the word yes using our keyboard, and click on factory reset. And also the touchscreen is responsive, so if you want, you don't need to use volume keys to navigate. Okay, now we just need to simply wait until the process is finished. Reset successful. Now click on back and select the restart. And now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on and the setup process will appear on the screen at any second. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.